Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Sentry to capture front-end errors for UI debugging. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Sentry website. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up. Once logged in, create a new project for your front-end application. Select the JavaScript platform since we will be capturing front-end errors. After setting up the project, you'll be provided with a DSN or data source name. This DSN is essential for connecting your application to Sentry. Copy the DSN to your clipboard for later use. Now, open your front-end project in your code editor. Install the Sentry JavaScript SDK by running the appropriate package manager command. If you're using npm, enter npm install at Sentry/browser. For Yarn, use yarn add at Sentry/browser. After installation, locate your main JavaScript file, usually index.js or app.js. Import Sentry at the top of this file with the line import asterisk as Sentry from at Sentry/browser. Next, initialize Sentry by calling Sentry.init. Inside the init function, pass an object with the DSN parameter set to the DSN you copied earlier. You might also consider adding options for environment, release, or other necessary configurations. Now that Sentry is initialized, you can capture errors. Use the Sentry.captureException method to log errors within your application. Wrap your code in try-catch blocks to make sure uncaught exceptions are sent to Sentry. If you want to capture messages or additional context, use Sentry.captureMessage as needed. To test your setup, intentionally throw an error in your application. Check the Sentry dashboard to verify that the error was logged successfully. Review the details of the captured error for more insights into the issue. Adjust your integration settings and options as necessary. Continue debugging your application using the information provided by Sentry. Remember to monitor your Sentry dashboard regularly for any new errors. This will help you maintain a robust and user-friendly front-end experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.